What's up, everybody? Hey, we can't never get good weather, can we? Man, it's always raining or snowing or something. Let's go inside. Whoa! Look at it, look at it. Hey, they got the drywall up, guys. Drywall looking good. Man, I can't believe I'm lost for words that this much has gotten done. So what they did was just put the rough coat on, put the drywall up, and just let it sit. So this is the garage again. So let's see the garage. Man, drywall is everywhere. Look at the top, look at the ceiling. All right, so let's go inside and see what we got. We got a door here now. It's looking like a house now. So right now we in pre-drywall. So this is my office, one of my offices. So this is pretty much, they gotta sand and block it. Look where they did some of it, but they gotta finish it out so they got the smooth transition so you can't see where this drywall ends and this drywall begins. So right now they put this, they just sand and block it right now, so it looks pretty good. I like it. The lights, they got the cutouts for the lights. So right here is the kitchen, guys. So now we see the drywall is up. Got the kitchen, so the stove is gonna go here. I think we talked about that in the previous video. But if you haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. Stove and everything goes over here. Refrigerator, it's over here. We got the plumbing over here. Looking good, looking good. The living area. Last time we were seeing with the inspector. You guys know we had a little leak, the water leak from the ceiling being open, so just want to test those fittings and make sure everything is tight and there's no leaks afterwards, right? Dining room. So this is the living area. It's looking like a house, right? What's up with you? You can talk. Yeah. So this right here is a closet. So right here is it's my wife's office. She get the nice pretty window in the front, plenty of light coming in. Drywall is looking good. It's looking like a house. So I'm excited about, as this is going on, this is great, checking out everything. But what I'm excited about most is being able to now, we've been going to the stores and stuff like that. I'm excited about the next phase of really designing other stuff to kind of make the house custom. So this is well, you guys already know what it is, so let's just go through it and just look at it. We talked about it. If you don't know, go to other videos and watch it. Oh, you look like your shower.
Yay!
Your real shower and everything is done, okay. Got the base, go check out your closet. Okay, go down the hallway. There we go. Go to the home room. There we go. So that's it, everybody. That's the end of this video. That's the end of this vlog. That's the end of this update. Stay tuned to the next time. I see ya.